Hello, this is Tim with Highmark Communications, and today we want to talk about what do you do when the memory is full on your IQ base station. Now, as you know, when you register headsets to the IQ base station, the first thing you do is there are two buttons at the top of the case. If you push them down, it'll allow the whole front cover to open up for you so you can get to the inside of the circuit board here, and specifically these three buttons. Now, when you register a headset, as I covered in previous video, you use the start registration button. But if you use the start registration button and you get the letter F in the alphanumeric display here, so that's F as in Frank, and you see that here, that means your base station is full. Now, this base station can remember 15 headsets, and so they will be labeled 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then A, B, C, D, E. Okay, after that, if you see F, the base station is full, and you will need to clear the memory of the base station and re-register the headsets that you have. So to clear the memory, the first step is you push and hold down the reset button. It's the one on the left here. While holding the reset button down, you're going to push and hold down the clear all button. So now you're holding them both down at the same time. I'm going to keep holding the clear all button down and let go of the reset button, and you will see a small C in that alphanumeric display. That shows that the memory has been cleared. At this point, I can let go of the clear all registration button, and now there are no headsets registered to this base station. Going forward, you would simply grab the headsets or belt packs that you currently have, and through the same method of holding down the B button, turning the headset on, getting the red flashing light, and then pressing the start registration button, you would re-enroll the headsets that you currently have on this system. If you have any questions, of course, give us a call here at the tech support department at Highmark, and we'd be happy to help you out with that. Thanks, and have a great day.